Well, Martin,
Yep.
congratulations on the win.
Tack fyrir.
Tough game tonight.
I think it was very good game, for us, especially for us to get confidence.
Yeah.
Again, many players getting minutes on the court, and this is our strength, and we are going to try as much as possible to keep this way because this is what we has been building for the whole season.
Yeah. Difference in the second half? What was the difference in your team play?
In the first 20 minutes, they take more offense rebounds. We control better the defense, the rebound. We control better the situation, and for us this is make difference.
Yeah. So this is the end of the regular season. You're happy so far? The team is progressing.
Yeah, and now what we want right now is to have everybody healthy. We
Yeah.
are trying to recover Sigurður as soon
Yeah.
as possible, and if everybody is healthy, I will be more than happy.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.